How to turn on or turn off Samsung keyboard sticker on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. You will see general management is here, so click on general management. Now here, so click on Samsung keyboard settings. So after click on Samsung keyboard setting, click on suggest stickers. Suggest stickers. So after click on suggest stickers, so you will see preloaded and downloaded sticker. So if you want to turn on Samsung keyboard sticker, so turn on this button, you will see Samsung keyboard sticker is turn on. So if you want to turn off Samsung keyboard sticker, so turn off this button, you will see Samsung keyboard sticker is turn off. So you will turn on or turn off preloaded and downloaded stickers from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off Samsung keyboard sticker on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.